name Bunch. Put your hands together for Miss Anae coming to the stage, y'all. Give it up for Anae.
Alright.
Thank you. Yeah, she's done with that. Thank you. You're done with
On some days, I wish the fusion of us was the entertainment to be woken up from. You were that comfort spot when I was stuck between a rock and a hard place. Long before we became my hard place. You were my rock, my ace. Friends turned into lovers. The Tuesdays to my best buys, you was always that something fresh, that newness. Somehow, being with you didn't work for the best. And I lost my best friend the same day that I lost my boyfriend. We had this connection unexplainable to any human eye, but it's always the best things that can never be explained. You were that dude from when I was 13 who always had an input on the niggas that I talked to, even though those were the same dudes that I turned my back on against you. The reflection of the mirror now proves that I was ready for a relationship, but I said yes to start one with you. And thinking back now, I would have definitely said no had I known then what I know now. The things that I put you through. Neither one of us perfect, but perfect enough to make it through the day. Perfect enough to make something last an additional 2.5 years, though we were together for 4, and I let go at 2. And held on for the relationship part, selfish, yes, because truth be told, I never really wanted to lose you as a friend. But I did. In all schemes of bitterness and betrayal, you got more apologies said than I can count, and I swear, I meant every single one of them. We were friends, 2 peas in a pod, none came any better. We kicked it like it was no one's business, regardless of how many people asked, what were you doing with this chick? We remained. Then we became lovers. A ship sailed during the eye of the storm, peaceful now, but wait for the turmoil. Hoping for a rainbow or a peak of sunshine to show us that it was all over, but yes, it was literally all over. In 8 years, I formed a best friend. At 4, I made you my boyfriend, and one day I lost you both, with no regret, except I wish it wasn't you that I did this to. You were my comfort spot when I was stuck between a rock and a hard place. Before we became my hard place, you were my ace. Friends turned into lovers, lovers turned into strangers, and what strangely is no one can ever take your place. Thank you. Wow.